This is Project Deep Blue, a custom ECD 130 with an upgraded 565 horsepower LS3 motor. Our client selected the colour from the Aston Martin range. It was Midnight Blue. The Cairn Mondial is a great looking rim that goes well with any colour vehicle. Combined with the BFG all-terrain tyre, you get a great mix of sporty, go-anywhere kind of look. Our client's focus here on this 130 wasn't so much the lifted off-road look, but more a subtle, more everyday 130. ECD's full-length console spans from the dashboard to the rear seats. This enables each passenger in the vehicle to have amenities within reach, including such things as wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, AC vents and heated and ventilated seats. This setup really enhances the interior and creates a feeling of being surrounded by luxury. There isn't anything on the road today that compares to an ECD 130. The stance is incredible from the perspective of the driver and other road users. It really feels like an adventure every time you drive it.